Santa Maria del Fiore, also known as the Florence Cathedral, is a magnificent architectural masterpiece located in the heart of Florence, Italy. It is one of the most iconic landmarks in the city and attracts millions of tourists each year. Using a drone to capture Santa Maria del Fiore from above allows viewers to fully appreciate the scale and intricate details of this iconic landmark. The Santa Maria del Fiore landscape is dominated by its impressive dome, which was designed by Filippo Brunelleschi and stands as a symbol of Renaissance architecture. The dome's construction was a remarkable engineering feat at the time and remains an awe-inspiring sight to this day. As a popular tourist attraction, Santa Maria del Fiore attracts visitors from all over the world who are captivated by its beauty and historical significance.